Hello, can you guys hear me? Let me know if the audio is working because I'm not sure if I set everything up correctly. Okay, nice. Okay, what I want to do today is add more towers and enemies to my game, as the title suggested. For the people who don't know what the game is about, it's a tower defense game, but you only have 20 seconds because of the game jam. You place towers to attack enemies and then speed up time so you get more time out of your 20 seconds. So you click on the clock, it speeds up. You need to manage that to get uh, high, your highest possible score. That's it. Uh, this you can see a bug I haven't fixed yet. There is a bug that the menu doesn't work when you go back from the end screen for game. Uh, it sometimes works, other times it doesn't. I'll fix that, I guess, before the end of the jam. If uh um yeah, now let me know if there are suggestions for towers and enemies. As you can see, it's quite bland right now. You only have one type of enemy, one type of tower. So I'm planning to stream for 1 to 2 hours, I guess. Wait, let me fix a thing with the stream. Oh, why do you need how much time do you need to finish Frostbook? Okay, the thing is asking me to lower the FPS to stream. How do you do it? How do I do that exactly? Oh wait, I think I found it. Pause the stream for a second. Hopefully you guys can see it again. Yeah, now YouTube likes it more, I guess. Okay, I'm thinking of first adding like a tanky enemy. It's the only idea I currently have, and uh, yeah, so let me know if there are suggestions for towers because I have no idea. So I'm thinking a gremlin, that's what the enemies are, but one that's bigger than the normal one. You only have the turret tower you saw in the video, so this one, it shoots and it kills enemies. And the other towers should do that too, but in a different way. And I think I made the system decently, so it shouldn't take too long to add new stuff. So you can just inherit melee gremlin fiend Yeah, I was thinking something AoE uh, like, and maybe if you have a suggestion, a way that that fits with the theme of cogs and clocks and stuff, that would be great. So this will be Tank Gremlin. Oh, and it wants me to save it. Just make a folder. Oh, bombs might be a good idea, but maybe mines, because I was thinking about towers that weren't couldn't be used infinitely, so a mine could be something. I cool. Well, yeah, it's quite unrealistic that it rotates instantly, and I'm thinking of changing that, but I um, but because of the jam, I think it's better to spend time on other things. Uh, I'm not gonna add a limit to how much you can speed up because I think it would be quite fun to see uh, how fast people will go to beat the high score. So no, well, tank Gremlin, make it a little bit slower. Maybe it can drop a little bit more gears. Gears are the currency you use. But I'll give 6 points maybe. Then max HP will do like 12 and make it a little bit less fast even. And the attack cooldown will be, well, yeah, 0.5 should be okay. And then we'll have a body. I have made this shadowed sprite thingy because for the sprites, because every sprite in this game has this shadow underneath of it. And then and this object handles that for every sprite. No, we don't. I didn't add any upgrades to the towers because opening a menu for the tower and then upgrading it will be will take a lot of time. So it's not. Wait, the stream died. Great, let me check. Oh, nice. It works now again. It's a little bit weird. Guess it just stopped working. Nice. Okay. Okay. Really weird because on my side I didn't see and get any feedback that it wasn't working. Well, let's continue with the tank gremlin. I might make it a little bit bigger than the other one, so do that scale. Uh, Make it 1.2 or something. And you won't notice the pixel art scaling because the screen gets pixelated after rendering everything, so that shouldn't be a problem. Well, now I need a color palette. I think tank gremlin should be a little bit darker green, maybe even the darkest, one of the darker greens. Let's try that. Currently there's only one enemy, and well, we're gonna change that right now. I have no idea how many there will be. It depends on how many IDs I have and things that can fit, or you guys have. Yeah, I could have a fast-moving enemy, but with low damage or something, low damage. But if it's insta-killable, it wouldn't really work, so it would need to have more HP, but I'll see how I balance that. We can look at that next. First, I'll finish this gremlin. I did set these points. Now I need to have a collision area. Or yeah, this is perfect actually. When on attack area, thinking maybe make this one do a stomp attack. So I'll attack in a circle around it. Well, all the enemies can damage the turrets, but I'm thinking a melee and a ranged enemy isn't a bad idea. I'll do that. And another circle shape to uh, detect if you can attack. I'll make that shorter range, so it needs to be right on top of something to detect it can attack it, but uh, it damages an area around it too. What do gremlins have to do with clocks? No clue, but uh, yeah, yeah, that's also a good idea. An explosive enemy. Yeah, bomb throw tower. I might do that, but I'm also debating on making a mine that you just place down, which then is the bomb, just damage. But I'll see about that. Okay, I think this is everything to get it, at least get it working. I might add some crack effect or something to show this attack. That's something I also still need to do is visualize the attacks. Yeah, buffing enemy might be a good idea. I won't make it an enemy tower, but I can have a potion gremlin or something that throws potions at other gremlins to boost them. This works, but I need to make the gremlin spawner actually spawn other types of gremlins. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Wait, let me get. I'll just make a sticky note on the Windows. Okay, let's see. We had mine tower, uh, buffing gremlin, uh, fast gremlin, what are the older IDs? Yeah, ranged gremlin. Yeah, camo gremlin. Yeah, maybe they can only. I'm not gonna do certain towers, but I can do camo gremlins that the towers that well, every tower detects the camo gremlins, but at a shorter range than every other gremlin, something like that. Camo gremlin. And other than that, no, there won't be really be bosses. Yeah, it's 20 seconds. I'll keep it at that. I'll add more to this list when needed. Okay, so the gremlin spawner currently can't spawn other things. I'm thinking I'll fix that by how will I fix that? Yeah, I'll have an exported array, export var called enemies, and well, it will be an array, and will be an array of packed scenes. In Godot, a packed scene is it's the scene but not instantiated. So you can instantiate the packed scene to get the object that scene is. So the non-Godot users know what we are doing. So I'll just have a list of enemies you can edit in the editor. And I'm thinking you can assign a value to that enemy. And then it can combine multiple enemies into one. Instead of spawning three separate enemies, it spawns buff gremlin or something like that. If you get the idea. Thinking pack scene. Well, actually, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking. No, wait, no, I'm thinking. Yeah, well, pack scene. Never mind. Thinking. Yeah, random events. Well, because of the randomness, it might not give the nicest experience for the players. And um, for the 20 seconds, for you won't really notice it, even if you speed up the game. Yeah, RNG isn't necessarily bad, but it really depends on how you implement it. Well, yeah, maybe that makes it more annoying because there's less time to avoid it and do stuff with it. I'll think about it. If someone has a good idea for what can happen at 10 seconds, boss spawn at 10 seconds might not even be a bad idea because that it's always at 10 seconds. So if you speed up time, 10 seconds can be later into the game. No, not every tower gets wiped. That's a bad idea. Wait, let me finish this enemies, and then for now I'll just do enemies uh, ran on a random integer, and then so it just selects a random one out of this array and then spawns that. It's not perfect because some enemies you want to have spawn less than others. Oh yeah, and Notifying Cat is making the music for this game. He check him out if you have time, let's say. I already made one track. Currently I have that muted because not to disturb the stream, but you'll hear it in the final game. Okay, wait, gremlin, random gremlin, and then I can just drag the scene of these gremlins into here, and then if I'm correct, yes, the older ones, and somehow it gets insta-killed, which isn't ideal. I had a little bit of suspicion the older gremlins were getting insta-killed, but now it's really clear. Okay, desktop audio to half, you say? Can do that. So minus 15 decibels. Okay, I hope that is better. Tower IDs. And Lookback Tower might be a good ID. I'll write it down. The implementation I'll think about later. Well, I will send you the normal Gremlin just to see what you make of it. But I'm probably not gonna include the monkey. But I might the ultra secret tower that's just a bush with a monkey in it. Okay, wait, let me send the Gremlin. Right, copy. Okay, I sent it to you. Fine. Okay, make Gremlin. Yeah, I can do a repairing tower. Maybe I should add health bar to towers. I haven't done that yet. What do you mean? I haven't leaked anything. Wait, did I? Oh yeah, yeah. I thought it had. I guess I never put those directly in view there. Now I get what you mean. And I don't have to go to the file explorer. I can so quickly go to the files that matter. Yes. Okay. So bug is tower shoots, thing gets killed instantly, but it shouldn't. It's a little bit weird to go code because I don't really use it correctly, but let's just ignore it. It works. It works. Same. Hitbox method. It will hit for a certain amount of damage, and then well, the gremlin, when it gets hit, displays the hit animation. It will decrease HP by the damage. And then if HP is lower than or equal to, it will die. But somehow it gets it it instantly gets killed. Well, it shouldn't. Oh wait, I already know what the problem is. I had it on the script. This should be on ready. So otherwise, it will take the base HP value and not the one I set in the editor. I had this problem on the towers too. Yeah, on the towers too. I fixed it there, but forgot to fix it here. And so if I play now, it work. And yeah, that's working. Right. But now I need a system to uh, spawn enemies, but have different spawning scores for different ones. I could do. Wait. I can probably do some weighted system. So I'm thinking. I'll do it really simple because of the gem game for I in the size of the array. Thinking at every point that has like a 50% of chance of spawning that enemy. And then if it doesn't, it tries the next one. So it will go like that. So we'll put this one here. And then we'll go if and then check if it's lower than yes, lower than 0.5. I'll do gremlin like that. And then we will break out of the loop. Oh, bye. Okay, so what this does is first enemy in the list will have a 50% chance of spawning. The second one, a 25% chance, and so forth. Thinking doing that right now. Maybe even a better system. We'll have an array of arrays of packed scenes. So the idea is you input an array within an array. So the first array will have 50% chance of spawning the one of those in the first array, and then the second array has a little bit less chance. So do this and oh, nested are not supported. I'll just do it like this and then act like I'm sure those are. What if I? Never mind. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on this system, so I'll do it like this for now. So, let me check something in the Godot docs right now. Godot export. I saw this yesterday, and I think it should work like this. Yeah, I found documentation. Oh wait, it isn't supported. But well, I'll do array like this and then hope that works. And now I shut down my stream. So yeah, this works. Okay, but Redline, what was your weighted system? Oh, you don't remember how you did it? So this should work. Do this, and then we have an array. Currently have it like this, and then see where's the packed scene. Currently doesn't show packed scene. Okay, what if I drag the value into it? Doesn't work either. Probably object should be fine. Yeah, object works. Make it object, and then the tank gremlin should spawn way less now. Oh, and something broke. Oh yeah, so makes sense. Not. Oh, yeah, I don't know any notes from memory, so probably have said monkey note or something. Let's see, gremlin. A problem is if every random chance fails, it doesn't select any, and of course it doesn't like that. So what I'll do is if check if the gremlin variable is still 0, null, and then set gremlin to the normal gremlin. Should be fine. Instantiate that. And now this bug shouldn't occur. It still occurred, which in this case I have no clue why. It still thinks gremlin is nil, but if it was nil, it shouldn't have gotten to this point. Gremlin. It gets here and gremlin is. Oh wait, yeah, I only do this if gremlin I should have not there. It's just quite stupid of me. Let's see. Okay, now this works. Let's speed it up a bit. Nice debug feature actually, running the game faster. It seems to work now, but because of the random chances, you actually can't never be sure. Maybe you're getting lucky, but it should work. It's not like there's that low of a chance it wouldn't work. Let's see. Okay, what's up next from the list of things? I have this list of features of IDs. Not sure if I'm gonna add all, but Let me know which one you want to see first. Well, this isn't that hard to calculate the chance. You have a 50 of a 25% chance to fill the first one, and then 25 chance percent chance to fill the second one. So would be the just 0.25 times 0.25, and you have the chance it happens. So it's actually quite big. I'll calculate it real quick. It's 0.0625. So it's like 2%. Yeah, fast gremlin is really easy to do. But I think I'll make the fast gremlin the one that explodes on impact. So that makes it a little bit harder. Here, explodes. I think that's a good combination of the two. They don't need to be separate. Gremlins. Mine tower. Yeah, I think I can do the. Wait. Shall I add one of these first, or wait? I'll just make this the feature list, and then I can also add. I can add. I had just had a feature in mind. I just forgot it. Give me a second. Oh yeah, I have some attack effects I still want to add, and some can add those too. But I'll go with the fast gremlin for now. See, I think I can just make it the melee gremlin, but then extend the script to make a version that just disappears after doing that and then places that effect. Not make, I'm not gonna make it too hard for a game jam project, so that should be fine. Melee gremlin, tank gremlin. Okay, melee gremlin. This should be fast gremlin. Yeah, hello back. Oh, welcome back, I should say. Tank gremlin. We're finished adding the tank gremlin. I'm adding the fast gremlin now, as you can see. Yes, I just said hello back. I should not have enabled the clipping feature. So will haunt me for ages. Beck, what a nice name. Yeah, this one will just have 0 attack cooldown. Wait, no, that's probably gonna mess it up. 0.2, so little bit of time to react when it's targeted on something. Should add the sprite. Not that hard. Sprite, and then this one, the sprite, so. Okay, fast gremlin. Obviously, when you have something fast, it should be yellow. Everyone knows that. I'm gonna make it yellow. Anyone think it should be something else? Look, this looks like something fast, right? Or maybe because it explodes, it should be red. Orange is also an option. Maybe I'll do orange. Let's make. Okay, wait. I should actually copy the color. Well, since when is yellow the color of light? every color is light, practically. No, it doesn't make sense when you send more nerd emojis. I'll keep it at orange for now. If someone has a better idea for fast gremlin, let me know. Fast gremlin, attack speed, 56. Max HP, let's do 2, yeah, sure. Uh, I'll do 3, it's fine. It will drop only 1 gear. Give 2 points when it dies. Um, should all be fine. Collision, easy. That is. Should the fast gremlin be small or big or just normal size? I guess. Make it the same size as the normal one, which is 0.2. Oh wait, no, it's not 0.2. It's 0.8. 8. Shape should match that. It's 8. Should be 6, like this. Then attack area oh, should be really big because it explodes. What do you think? This blue rectangle is the size of the screen/play area. Does this seem right for an explosion? I think it does, so let's do it. Maybe a bit too big. Yeah, maybe. Oh, let's we'll do it like this for now. But it will start exploding in life when it gets, yeah, this range. Object should be fine. Okay, it should do a lot of damage. Let's set the damage it does. Okay, let's say it does 8 damage. Normal gremlin does 1 damage. How much should the explosion do? Maybe 4 is better. But now, thinking there will be a bug, which I haven't thought of yet. Oh wait, I should have them actually spawn. Gremlin. And keep in mind, the, the gremlin doesn't destroy itself. And this one has the same chance as spawning as the giant gremlin. We have object, fast gremlin, so like this. Tank, yeah, fast. And it already destroyed the clock, which shouldn't go like that. But I know why that is. I can explain that because the code, the attack area already does damage once when it comes in contact with something, which obviously shouldn't happen. It should only damage when this area gets in range. So what I'm thinking, what I'm going to do to fix that is set third, and we have wait, I should attack area shape, and then we do set the third. This you call set the third in this case, so it happens the next physics frame. So uh, otherwise it messes up physics. It doesn't really work. So this one will start off uh, disabled like this. Then that should fix it. Hopefully, maybe. Fingers crossed. Because I fixed that insta-kill bug, the game got a little bit harder, so... Oh, wait, I didn't even get the fast gremlin. Oh yes, that's one. Oh wait, this is also a bug, as you can see. I can stop the enemies with the towers I'm placing. Oh wait, I shouldn't let these kill the tower. Want to see the effect the explosive enemy has on it. Well, later, wacht, restart. I can check my Discord. Okay, wait. Okay, this is some quality art. Okay, wait, I'm gonna show it on the stream for everyone. Oh, and I have that menu bug again. Let's get the stream back. Okay, everyone, this is the monkey gremlin a person on the internet drew. Some top quality. Yes, monkey. It's the ranged gremlin. It throws bananas. And if it dies, it goes bananas. Okay, fast gremlin. I'll make the... I'll overwrite the script, class name, melee, then add the script, inherit melee gremlin. So the melee gremlin, oh well, not the melee gremlin, the fast gremlin will explode. So it should die when attacking. So I think what I will do is override the attack function and then call it because it should do what all the melee gremlins attack functions should do. Oh, hello back. So what I'm gonna say from now on. Attack and then for now, oh wait, I can just call the die function, should work. Yes, hi back. In this case, it makes sense because he said I'm back, and you just said back, so it didn't make sense. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, it helps if the Gremlin can actually make it. Let's see if once again. This peak game development here, waiting for your random chance thing to happen to test it, and then it doesn't happen because time is up. And then when it happens, it gets shut down. Uh, let's restart until it spawns at the first. Yes, it worked. It died. Should have some cool explosion effect when it dies. But yes, that was the actually the thing I wanted to add next. That animation. Uh, under older steampunk music, I have seen people saying it sounded like pirate music. Monkey Pirates, my next game. Okay, what should I do that next? Death effects? Like suggested, or should I add some towers to balance out with the new gremlins? What's up with gremlins? Or you just said gremlins? I'll start with do more gremlins. Okay, I'll shall I add more gremlins first or that attack so it maybe a minion based tower? Yeah, a sort of summoning tower. I've thought of that, but that would mean I have to make some good AI. Currently, the AI is really simple in game because the enemies just walk towards the center and that's all they do. Yeah, I'll make a dead effect first because now the enemy just disappeared, but then the player will have some feedback it exploded. And maybe an explosion sound or something. Okay, well, every gremlin will need a dead effect, so I'll just start with the base gremlin scene, and then see. I also made a shadowed version of the particle emitter. Think that will be quite useful. Well, yeah, walking to the center isn't really AI, but that's what I mean. If I make uh, towers that spawn entities that attack the enemies, they should have some path finding. No, currently there aren't any difficulties, but you can kind of apply your own difficulty by speeding it up or slowing it down, which gives automatically gives more score. Okay, so the shadowed particles, what I do have to do is see where is it? Don't use this option that much. Here, editable children, so I can edit a particle emitter, so it actually looks like something. Uh, godot particle emitter. I do have to new viewport texture. So now you can see the particles. They already have shadows. That works nicely. Make it well, actually the particle emitter material should uh, change depending on which gremlin it is, but I'll make a base dead animation where it just explodes into particles. Wait, what? No! Seems like Monkey didn't make the cut for the game. Now I'm gonna get demonetized on my not monetized game video on YouTube. Oh, nice, you have some cupcakes, I guess, on that message. Oh, not the shader material. Don't want a shader material. Yeah, so direction should just shoot every direction. We don't want any gravity because it's top down. Initial velocity, something like that. That's a little bit too much, but we'll fix that. Oh, like 0.2 lifetime, and then amount 16. So good, and this one should be 28. So that. Like that, and then radial acceleration should slow down, and this one slow down like that too. Then wanted to spawn with a random rotation. Can't see that yet because there are just squares, but solve that. Oh, that's a little bit too big. Okay, let's say we do 8. So they have a random size between 0 to 8. Yeah, outside is kind of overrated. Yeah, we don't upgrade charisma. You start with max charisma. I don't like that I can talk my way out of situations. Yeah, I can add a tower that shoots multiple projectiles. I'll do that next. That's not too hard to implement, and we'll add a little bit to the game. So, okay, skill. This is decent. Also, I just realized I should make this a separate object, as when the gremlin dies, the object gets deleted. But what we actually want is for the particles to play even after the object got deleted. We'll have this, and then we'll have some longer lifetime. Okay, that's a little bit too long. And I'm not gonna do the blood splatter effect I did in another game. Not worth it in this game. Yes, it's 0.4. This should be fine. Now I'm gonna make this. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this. We'll make a separate scene. That effect. Paste this. And somehow the viewport texture always breaks. So I'll make a new one and then select the viewport. I use the viewport so I can add the shadows underneath them without the shadows rotating with the particle. Yeah, flamethrower or something that move that fast. Well, currently it's a little bit, that would be a little bit problematic because I have the current system doesn't use projectiles as they could get buggy when speeding up time, so it just acts like it shoots. But maybe I should draw the paths of the projectiles and have a line from where it shot to the enemy. But I have to implement that too. So with a that effect here, so effects, effects, yeah, see. And what this will do is we'll add a timer node. Despawn timer should have the same length as this. It emits for 0.4, and then it auto starts call, and then I'll add a that effect script. And what this will do is when the despawn timer times out, it will just queue free itself. So really easy, it will just delete itself. And now the gremlins, when they can instance this. I'll add a quick variable for the color because different colors will have different different colored enemies will have different effects like that. Let's see. Yeah, should far color. Default just to white, doesn't really matter. And then we'll add a setter function. So when this value gets set, well, obviously color gets set to that value, but then the shadow sprite, the shadow particle uh, sprite color will also get that color. So, this should work. And then when I go to the gremlin, when it dies, I'll do this. That effect. See, where's the dead effect? So, here, dead effects, and then we'll add it there. This should work. Did you just get 4 muffins brought to your doorstep? Yeah, the mini gun turret is not a bad idea for a normal tower defense game, but for this tower defense game, uh, it would really be dependent on how. Oh wait, it doesn't spawn at the correct location, but it would really be dependent on how fast you can move your mouse, which I want to limit. That's why I also have hotkeys for spawning the towers. So now it should spawn at the right location, and I see that the debugger doesn't like it. I'll look at it in a little bit. Doesn't limit how the game works. Yeah, like this. Looks good. I need to change the color, which is just as easy as adding an export variable to the gremlin, because I want to set in the every time in the editor what the color is for color dot print equals color dot. So now it will just be white by default. Then there can be that effect dot color, and then now for every gremlin I can go in tank gremlin here Spectre. I set it to this color. This is the tank gremlin color. For the normal gremlin, it's light green. And the fast gremlin will have a custom dead effect, is the idea. But for now, the fast gremlin. Wait, and can delete this. Almost forgot. Fast gremlin. Orange. And like this. So red line in front of your door, you just have supply drops of muffins or something. Okay, this already gives a little bit more feedback. I should add a dead sound, so we can guess we can look one up right now. Did you get super buff after eating those muffins or something? Just have a buff red line coming in soon. Yeah, I think it actually nerfed because you took time to eat the muffins. Well, they take time to consume. I guess that's enough of a balancing thing. And you need to make them or buy them, so that effect. Okay, what does a dying gremlin sound like? Oh, and I didn't notice this, but the debugger doesn't like it right now. So just do the old project reload to test if that works. Yeah, your rape doesn't sound like a good idea because, well, there will be a lot of enemies dying when you speed up the game. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we can find some sound. Okay, what? What if I just... I got wait. That sounds like my hello back.
Your time.
Okay, this one actually isn't bad. I'll can always edit them. Oh, check my Discord. Yeah, I'm not gonna play that. That's a little bit risky. Oh, oh, you were only listening and not watching. Cat. Yeah, I can do that too, but yes. Here, this one. Yeah, your music gets disturbed by random sound effects for now. We need some feedback. Wait, I have a better idea. Wait, that's not how you say that. Splash, maybe. Just splash like the enemy splash, like they get explode. Most of these are. This one isn't bad, maybe. I can see the enemies explode like that. Okay, let's search some more die sounds. Maybe I'll mix them together. Wait, what's this one? Oh no, it says different license. So, search for some more. Or maybe a crush. Okay, I'll not check crush. Then. Nice. I do really like how steampunk can sound. I love how specific this one is. Eel fishing. Like, what does it have to do with eels? It's I think latter. What if I just use this one? This one might not be that bad. Okay, I don't know why this one is so short. It looks really long. Yeah, that's actually kind of smart. Toy train whistle. It's always the sound effects are always about finding the right keywords to find things that sound similar to what you want instead of exactly what you need. What if I combine these two? Rip. Do I need to check Discord again? Okay, I'll check this sound effect. This maybe sounds really like a bomb grenade shot, but it doesn't really sound like the enemy dying or getting shot. Well, getting splashed. This one works, but it doesn't really work when combined with a lot more of those dying. This one might not. I might be able to do something with this one, but it's the pitch, I guess, isn't. Right, let's get city. Yeah, and it doesn't really work when you have tens of those enemies dying at the same time. See if I do this and then effect, let's say, change pitch. Oh, wait, you don't. Okay, wait, that isn't affected after. So also really long, so good, but isn't gonna work for what my use case. See what. Ooh, this one isn't bad if it's a little bit less loud. Maybe? Oh, see you a little bit, I guess. See. I might use this one. It's short, but it sounds more like bones cracking or something. Yeah, a little bit. Maybe this first part of this one. Well, I suspect, yeah, okay, pinching oranges, that most of these are made using fruits. Oh no. Oh yes, I forgot we aren't doing monkey. Alright, this one stopped playing. Yeah, CCC by what? Maybe this one. I'm gonna keep it there as inspiration. This one isn't either. Ooh, I do like this one. Yeah, this one is nice, but it's not, at least not Creative Commons 0. Yeah, this one. So those are confusing. Oh, here's your lettuce headline. Ooh, maybe I can use this for attacking when enemies attack, because that doesn't have a sound yet either. So needs more feedback. This one really sounds like it's a monster doing it. Will not keep that one. Ah, yes, these names. Leaves, that's like all sorts of leaves. It's actually quite genius. I need that perfect cat like everyone else does. Oh, Redline, look at my the tutorial I made. It's basically a PowerPoint presentation. We have the first slide, then the second slide, and then the third slide, and then you play the game. And you can enable the settings that you always do the tutorial. I actually make some decent settings for my games. Yeah, I win. Why does no one recorded perfect crunch? Oh, here, crunching leaves. Okay, that's not really nice. This might be perfect, but I need like one of those crunches that really stands out. We sent a good one on Discord. Okay, let me check that. Yeah, this one is good. And yeah, I could probably cut something from this, but I'll try it. Cutting is a little bit hard because it's continuous sound. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's the. If Audacity wants to start, that would be great. Yes, this is basically that, I guess. But probably leave some credits somewhere to the sounds. Let's see. I need the sound effect. Why am I so clippable? What did I say? What did I say that is clippable right now? Now. Oh, that my tutorial is basically a PowerPoint presentation. I need to clip. Or did you already make it? Oh no, you're. Or wait, this is something else. Oh yeah, you clipped it. The tutorial I made. And I'm not gonna listen to myself because that's horrible. Okay, let's see. What's good crunch time? It stops too suddenly right now. So let's see. Probably with a wait. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What if I some sort of fade out? Let's amplify it a bit. Wait, why can't I? Oh, now I can. Okay, what's an effect that makes it a little bit more crunchy? I'm just gonna try random effects to see what happens. Change pitch. Okay, equalizer, or do you mean something else? Okay, distortion. Okay, I don't know what the sliders do. Just max them out to see what happens. Oh, it just stops playing it back. Okay, sure. Oh, I can. Okay, which one sounds right? Okay, we'll just go one by one. Uh, let's try that again. Back, distortion, soft clipping. Okay, no, that's not the one. Ooh, this one might do something. It needs to be a little bit less. Uh, yeah, maybe he turned off his sound when he went to work on the music. Music. Ooh, maybe this one. Oh, that's a little bit loud. Hello? Can you hear this? Let's see if you hear that. Okay, nice. Hard overdrive, yes. Repeat processing all the way. Oh, sorry I did that to you guys. Okay, sure, we go. The oh, I didn't want to apply that twice. Okay, which effects can we add to this too? Yes, more balls. That makes sense, totally. Ooh, maybe. It would refine for it depends. Wait, does it sound like Among Us now? Or without the boss? Also, I think the removed treble sound. Let's see. Wait, how do I have 24? 24 what? Wait, how did I lose this up? What did you do? Yeah, let's see. My sound, where my sound so horrible. Notify my cat just left. Sounds like it. It doesn't sound bad, but it still sounds a little bit noisy, I guess. There isn't really one sound effect, one peak, or how do you call it? What if I do? Oh, effect. What if I do noise reduction? Feel like it isn't what I want, but yeah, let's not do that. Still just trying. Oh, this is better, I guess. I like this. What do you guys think? The just the whole leaf sound, or what I have so far. So the leaf sound, just you mean, or this will send this one over. There you have it. Try your best. Sure, I can check your music. Shall I check it on stream or in a little bit after the stream? Sure, I'll check it on stream. I'll put my desktop audio a little bit louder so everyone can hear. Hopefully. Remind me to change it back so you guys don't go deaf again. Okay. Yeah, that actually sounds really nice. And the tempo also sounds really good for the game. Yeah, definitely continue it. See, okay, I'll see what Redline comes up with for this track. Yeah, I heard the placing sound effect. Yeah, I might accelerate it based on speed, but that doesn't always really work with the music. It messes with it a bit, so I prefer not to do it. I tried it a little bit. Let's see, export selected audio. Okay, if you didn't not press that because speed. Let's see. Uh, I of Gremlin death. Gremlin death. Well, uh, only use part of it. Fine that way. Not an expert in how that works, but see. Gremlin will add an. Oh yes, I almost forgot. Let's do desktop audio lower before I deafen you guys again. There's an audio stream player. Gremlin that. Well, sounds good. And actually, I'm not gonna put it here, but I'm gonna put it in that effect because the autoplay should automatically be implemented now. Oh, and the debugger is spamming again. Okay, it actually sounds decent. A little bit more feedback when you kill the enemies. Let's see if it gets really obnoxious. Okay, it actually isn't that bad listening to it like this. Oh, and I didn't foresee this. So, oh, and the menu is broken again. Okay, I'll check it in a second after I fix this bug, which just always so the particles will get deleted even if the game ended. Debugger currently isn't liking the game, but it's working, so I'll give it a pause for now. Let's see the music. Yeah, but that sounds like the gremlins are getting punched or slapped across the face. If you want to join, I can send you the Discord link. It's a game dev server on Redline, as he said. Yeah, it's very cringy, but I think it doesn't really fit with the splash effect I made now, like this. This one sounds a little bit more like splashes like that. Yeah, to what? To it's very cringy, or do you want the Discord invite? Invite. I think Redline would be okay with that. It's public Discord anyways, so see. I'll use this sound effect for now. For now. Yeah. Yes. The Redline, I can send him the Discord, right? No, oh wait, view. Wait, looked like the orangutan emoji changed, but apparently it didn't. It's a little bit weird. Yeah, apparently it didn't. Wait, did it change on your screen? Didn't change on my Discord. Wait. Yeah, I saw it changed on a person on Discord, on the internet Discord. It didn't on my screen. Wait, let me restart Discord. Maybe it's it came with the font changes. No, it still hasn't changed. Really weird. I actually have no problems with the new font. It's not that bad as everyone makes it. It's very similar. Okay, let's see what's the next effect. Oh yeah, I should make the explosion effect for the. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, the menu keeps breaking. Let's fix that. Game. See. And when the main menu button gets pressed, it should get unpaused, like it says here, but apparently it doesn't. But sometimes it just decides it doesn't want to work. Yes. I'll check it this in a little bit. Okay, I'm thinking, yeah, next, definitely the explosion. Nobody is gonna be able to tell this enemy explodes right now. Should have an explosion sound, but I'll do that a little bit later. I'll just do an inherited scene of that effect, and I'll do explosion that effect. Should be fine, gremlins, that effect. And now it's time to make some particles for this. I'll also probably have something when you hover over the towers that you can see what the tower does, how much damage, and maybe a short description or something. Yeah, probably a short description only. Explosion that effect first. Let's see, I'll have this effect. Let's see, combine it. I should have a flash, like maybe if I will need a big white circle. Just make a big white circle, I guess. And then this one will just flash on screen. Flash. And then, while the particle effect happen, we'll have lens, that effect. It's called circle.png, should be fine. And then I'll add an animation player. Okay, I need a bigger circle. Yes, delete circle. Okay, this is a pro tip for making explosions. Need a sprite. Let's see, shadows. Or no, just a normal sprite will do. We have this circle. This will be on top of everything. Flash. And then what the animation player will do is yes, new animation of explode of flash. Like this. And then what this will do is it will modulate this one to black, so it turns black for a split second and then disappears. It gives a really nice explosion effect. It's really simple, but works. This one 0.1. This one. The black one will be 0.05. Like that. And then I want this one to be discrete, so just change this. Like that. Black. And instead of turning white, what I actually want to do is turn it invisible so you see the particles. Visible. So like this. And then play it already. Okay, hopefully I need to change a little bit. See gremlin code, like that effect. Let's change have that effect be exported to the editor so you can easily change it. So that effect equals like that. Should work if I go to any gremlin now. Oh, wait, here's first normal gremlin. It doesn't have yet. Oh, yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I said it a while back. I'll stream for, I was thinking 2 hours, so probably stop in a little bit. But yeah, I probably stop in a little bit. Debating going on longer, but maybe I split it into two streams and stream tomorrow a little bit too. And then tomorrow yeah, and then tomorrow I'll stream making towers because now I have only made enemies and I need to make towers still. Yes. They now all understand. Okay, where's my explosive death effect? Okay, like that. Then the fast gremlin will spawn this as a death effect. And now if the yes. And as you can see it work. Let's see. Explosive death effect. So make it easier to reset white and visible. So this is the ID for the effect. But apparently game just decided, nah, it won't work. So to add that. So now the animation will be sped up if the game is faster. Yeah, bye until tomorrow, I guess. I'll be fixing this bug and then ending the stream, I guess. Oh yeah, this time it worked. Maybe I'll make that a little bit longer. Like that. Yeah, that looked really nice. The fast gremlin, the range on its explosion. 84. It's about the same as the radius of the. See, what's the radius on this? Yeah, it's a little bit bigger, but it only makes it a little bit further. Yeah, I really need to fix this bug, but I'll do that off camera. Yeah, I think so too. Probably keep it at this. Let me see if there are any things that are quick to fix, but other than that, I think this will make a good ending. Oh wait, yeah, there is a problem with the particle system. That is an easy fix. The problem is the dead effect has a despawn timer, but it doesn't despawn when the game runs faster. So I'll do ready and then despawn timer dot see, it's a variable called wait time equals oh yes, I need to make this an export variable too or length like this, and then we'll just do length times game manager dot time speed, and that that should work, I guess. Test it. It would work if I didn't make a spelling mistake. Mm, I'll just remove the despawn timer and add a variable uh, timer dot 0 and then process timer delta times game manager time speed, so speeds up. Yep, speeds up, and then when the if timer bigger or equals to length, just Q3. I don't need this anymore. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, this is better. And I think I'll end the stream here and add an explosion sound to the exploding gremlin on my own, and then tomorrow or maybe the day after that, yeah, probably tomorrow, I'll stream adding more towers to the game. Bye. Great. That's what I'm after. Bye.